Good morning, students. Now, today we will discuss decision and control statements in QBasic. The statements that we will cover are if then statement, if then else statement, go to statement, for next statement, and step function. Now, come to if then statement. If then statement is executed only when the condition is true, otherwise control will go to the next statement. Now let's take an example of it. Here is the program: enter two numbers and display the bigger number. In the program, the command is input A, means you have to enter the number from keyboard, enter any number, then again enter second number. If A is greater than B, then it will display the message A is bigger, otherwise it will display the message B is greater. Now here in this case the number 6 is taken into A and second number is B, and from these two 9 is bigger and the result will be shown as 9 is bigger. Now come to if then else statement. If else statement decides which of the two actions to be performed. If the condition is true, the statements after if will be executed, otherwise the statements after else will be executed. Now let's take example of it. Enter two numbers and display the bigger one. First input first number into A, then second number into B. If A is greater, then print A is bigger, else print B is bigger. Now come to go to statement. A go to statement is an unconditional jump statement used for transferring the control of a program anywhere in the program. The target destination of a go to statement is marked by a label. Now let's have an example of it. First input any number into a variable, then enter second number into B, then print A into B, means whatever you have entered it will multiply those numbers. Suppose if you have entered A, value of A is 4, then into B 8, it will display 8 into 4, that is 32. Print AB means 32. Then again go to line number 10 and again ask you to enter the values. Now next is the for next loop. For loop is used for repeat a specific block of code or statements for a fixed number of times. The syntax for that is write for, then write any variable, then initial value, and last is the final value, then the loop statements and the next and then variable name. Now let's have an example of it. Input n means enter any number from the keyboard, enter any value. For x equal to 1 to 10 means the variable x has now value 1, initial value is 1. It will continue till the value of x will not reach to 10. It will print n, and here suppose we have taken 5, the value of n is 5, it will print n means 5. Then in the double quotes there is multiplication sign, then it will print the multiple sign means into sign, then x means the variable x. Now the value of x is 1, it will print 1, then equal to sign, then n into x means value of n is 5 and the value of x is 1, means 5 into 1 equal to 5. Now again next x means increase the value of x by 1. Now again it will check for x equal to 1 to 10. Yes, it is between 1 to 10. Now the value of x is 2. Now again it will print n means 5 into sign, then 2 means 5 into 2 equal to 10. In this way it will print the table of this number. So by using this code of program we can create the table of any number. Now come to step function. Step function changes the value of running variable by any number, either positive or negative integer. Now let's have an example of it. Write a program to list the even numbers between 0 and 20. And the code is for I is equal to 2 to 20. Then step 2 means the loop will continue till the value of I is from 2 to 20. Here the value of I is 2, initialized as 2. Then print I. It will print the value of I 2. Then again next I means it will increase the value of I by 2, means 2 plus 2 4. Now the value of I is 4. It will again check for I is equal to from this to 20, yes, then it will again print here 4. Then again increase the value of I by 2. Now it's the value 6. It will again check. It will continue till it will not reach to 20. Okay. Now I think you have understood this topic, and if you have any problem you can comment me in comment box. Thank you.